In this series, this is part 3 video. In this section I am going to show you examples which have unit like liters. Okay.
Okay, here is the sum. Rohan wants to serve 150 milliliter juice to each of 15 guests, right? How many 500 ml bottles of juice should he buy, and how much juice will be left after serving the guests, right? Serving his guest. Okay, so how we'll start writing the statement for this sum? Just I told you, notice the first number. It is 150 and the unit is milliliter. What I told you, you can use capacity or volume for milliliter or liter, right? So I will start writing like this: volume of juice, okay, served to each guest, okay, this is equal to 150 milliliter, right? And juice each of 15 guests. Here second number is 15 guests and it is countable quantity, right? So I will write here, sorry, so for 15th guest I will write numbers because guests are countable. So we will write here numbers of guest as equal to 15. I am writing here NOS and full stop, right? You can write fully like this, NOMBER. Okay, don't hesitate, don't confuse between these. So I have written the two statements, first one for the 150 milliliter and second number is 15. So I have written this. Okay, how many 500 milliliter bottles of juice should he buy? So first of all I will find the volume of juice required as a whole. Okay, so you will write total volume of juice needed or required equal to, it will be more, so you will multiply 150 into 15, it will be 2250 milliliter. Okay, so totals 2250 milliliter juice will be needed. Okay, so how many bottles he needs to buy? You will write 500 milliliter, so you write volume of each bottle. For this part, how many 500? The third one is 500 milliliters and this bottle, it is countable. So you can write first of all indicating the capacity of each bottles. So after that you will find the number of bottles. So volume or capacity, volume of each bottle, okay, each bottle equal to 500 milliliters. So numbers of bottle required, because bottles are countable, numbers of bottles needed or bought by Rohan equal to, you have to divide it, 2250 divided by 500. Okay, you can cancel 1010, so 225 divided by 50. When you will divide, you will get 4.5. Okay, 4.5. Now the question is that in this words problem, is the shopkeeper give you 4.5 bottles? No, not at all. Okay, that means you will write here the statement as the shopkeeper will not give the bottles in fraction, so the Rohan has to buy 5 bottles of juice. Therefore Rohan has to buy 5 bottles of juice, right? 5 bottles of juice. So how much juice he bought in total? So total volume of juice bought, total, I am writing again volume, okay, total volume of juice bought equal to 5 into 500, right? And it is 2500 milliliter, right? So finally asking is how much juice will be left at last. Okay, so Rohan bought 2500 ml juice and he served 2250 milliliter juice to the guest. So you will write the volume of, just notice I am writing here volume of left juice or juice left, okay, equal to, you subtract here 2500 minus 2250, you will get here 052, and that means 250 milliliter juice will be left finally. Okay, so you try to learn the idea, the technique how I write the statement for the word problem. Okay, as whenever you will got the countable numbers, you will write numbers. When you will see milliliter or liter, you write volume or capacity. Okay, and if you see kilograms, you write quantity or weight. Is it clear? Now finally I will explain a question, okay, which is a little bit typical and which will use the unit of length, because I stated with the examples which possesses countable numbers and quantity like kilograms and volume or capacity like milliliters, and finally I want to state an example which has the unit of length like meter, centimeters. Okay,